Tractable is an adjective that describes someone or something that is easily managed, controlled or influenced. It often refers to people who are agreeable or situations and problems that are easy to handle. The word conveys a sense of flexibility, compliance or responsiveness. Origins of tractable. The word tractable comes from the Latin tractabilis, meaning that can be managed, which derives from tractere, to handle or to manage. It entered English in the early 17th century, retaining its sense of manageability and ease of influence. Fancy how to use tractable. Tractable is used in both literal and figurative contexts to describe people, animals, systems, or situations that are easy to work with or control. Example sentences: the child's tractable. Nature made her a joy to teach. They devised a tractable solution to the complex problem. The horse was surprisingly tractable, even for an inexperienced rider. On similar words, docile, easily taught or led, often emphasizing passivity. Compliant, willing to agree, or conform to rules or demands, malleable. Easily influenced or shaped, often used metaphorically. Manageable, capable of being controlled or handled. Nuances of tractable. Positive tone. Describes willingness and adaptability, often seen as favorable traits. Context-specific. Can apply to both living beings, people or animals, and abstract things, problems, or systems. Flexibility. Implies openness to direction or adjustment. Antonyms of tractable. Intractable, stubborn, difficult to manage or deal with. Unyielding, not flexible, or easily controlled. Obstinate, stubbornly refusing to change behavior or opinion. Usage in literature and society. In literature, a tractable character might be portrayed as agreeable and easygoing, often in contrast to a more rebellious or stubborn individual. In social or political discussions, tractable might describe systems or policies that are flexible and amenable to improvement. In summary, tractable is a versatile adjective that conveys ease of management or influence, whether referring to a cooperative person, a straightforward solution, or a responsive system. It emphasizes a sense of smoothness and adaptability that facilitates progress or harmony. Subscribe.